Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to locate and remove duplicate files and photos from your OneDrive all at once. Managing a crowded cloud storage can be stressful, especially when redundant files take up valuable space. Let's streamline your account and free up some room. Start by logging into your Microsoft account through your web browser. Go to the Microsoft sign-in page, enter your login details, and access your account. If you cannot remember your password, simply use the recovery option to reset it. Once you are logged in, find the app launcher icon, which looks like a small grid in the top left corner of the screen. Clicking this will show your available Microsoft apps. Select OneDrive, which is easily spotted by its cloud icon. Inside OneDrive, navigate to the My Files section in the left-hand menu. This area holds all your stored data and is where we will find the duplicates. To make them easier to see, use the sort function at the top of the list. You can organize your files by name or by size. Sorting by name groups identical file names together, while sorting by size helps you find duplicates that might have different names but identical file sizes. Choose the method that fits your needs. Now, click the checkbox next to each duplicate you want to remove. Be careful to review your choices so you do not accidentally delete important original files. Once you have selected the duplicates, click the delete icon, which is shaped like a trash can. A prompt will ask you to confirm the action. This is an important step, so ensure you are happy with your selection before proceeding, as recovering deleted items can be complicated. By confirming, you have successfully cleared out the clutter and optimized your storage for the files that matter. Regularly checking for duplicates will keep your workspace tidy and help you find what you need faster. That is all there is to it. Keeping your OneDrive organized is easy with these steps. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.